Sticky notes have always been my go-to for quick ideas, reminders, and visual organization. That is, until a breeze turns your carefully arranged thoughts into confetti, and your work does a dramatic slow-motion swan dive to the floor. And hopefully you've seen it happen. For something that's supposed to remind you of tasks and appointments, they have a talent of betraying you at the worst possible time. And not gonna lie, I posted quite a few reviews missing important details, only to notice it days after publishing. So, how do you upgrade something that's basically a tiny square of paper with a dab of glue? Science, obviously, made the ultimate upgrade. Reusable static link notes, no glue, zero residue. The entire surface sticks using pure static electricity and clings securely to almost anything. Wood, metal, leather, books, cork, fabric, paper, whiteboards. Finally, a clingy partner I actually want in my life. Peel them off, slap them back on. Dozens, hundreds of times. Smooth surfaces obviously work best, and you can slide them around freely. Perfect for planning, shuffling tasks, reorganizing ideas, procrastinating while pretending you're being productive, or just looking cool on YouTube. Markers give the best result, but pens work too. Some versions even use whiteboard-style material, so you can erase and reuse them indefinitely. And if they stop sticking, just rub it around and you're back in business. They come in every size imaginable, and in a whole rainbow of colors. And because they stick so well, they're great for posters, in-store promos, reusable calendars, info boards, learning materials, classroom visuals, basically anything. Supercharged. Well, static charge. And if you want more upgrades in your life, my reviews are waiting. Alex Rain, like, comment, and subscribe.